Easy installation, wireless Bluetooth connection. Blind spot detection. If a vehicle is about to enter or is in the blind spot, the system steadily switches on the LED light of the corresponding side, this way informing the rider of the potential critical situation. Time to collision warning. TTC. It is the estimated time of collision given by the distance of the vehicles and their relative speeds. Lane change collision warning. Motorcycle lane change collision warning is possible through millimeter wave radar, which detects vehicles within the driver's blind area on both sides of the vehicle, approaching at high speed. If there is a risk of collision when the motorcycle changes lanes, it will warn the driver in advance.